switching gears, we're going to try something different. I'm currently in the process of finally working on a project. It's been sitting around for, I think about a year now. These are Union blades or wingtip, and these are going to be painted black. Canopies down there are already painted black or drying. I have used some chrome spray paint, metallic finish with Rust-Oleum for the bottom. I found a way to cover up that hole. There used to be a hole in that nut. It's actually a piece of plastic I was able to wedge in there. So that covers it. Made the blade screws chrome. The brackets are over here. Sorry about that glare. You can see they're all nice and shiny right now. They're drying. I'm probably going to hit these with a second coat. Maybe tomorrow. I'll at least get to the point where they're dry and see how they look. And then over here we have the Union motor. And black. I have tape over the label there. There's another label on the upper canopy. So I'll do tomorrow. I'll do some touch-up paint. I paint the bottom of the motor over there. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm still debating on painting the down rod. I mean, it's not exactly chrome, you can tell. But I have to find the acetone. I have no clue what the acetone is right now. So that's where I'm at as of right now. I'm probably going to Michael's get some silver tape to do a band around the motor. Motor originally had like this wood grain band, so these are just banter. I'll probably be right back with the actual fan. Thanks for watching. Hello YouTube. Many of you may remember this Union. Not like this before. This is after I finally got around to painting it. It's a black silver, black chrome kind of finish now. I did find a piece to seal up the center nut because it had a hole originally drilled into it. This is all just spray paint. This is nothing that's going to last a long time. Nothing's powder coated. I could have powder coated stuff, but I didn't feel like it on this one. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. So let's go up here. There's our tag. Got a little sloppy around the edges. Sorry about that. There's the old Union tag. That black stuff isn't paint. That's just from wear. So doesn't say how much it's supposed to draw, but I know this guy draws about 1.29 amps on high, so that's normal. It's definitely one of the older ones. It's got a huge motor, and up in the canopy there's a cast iron grommet knuckle that holds everything together. So that's impressive for this fan. So either way, let's go over here. We're gonna go ahead and put it through its paces. So I can find the control. There it is. Starting the flow. And it's shown on a 3 amp Dayton speed control. This is set all the way low right now. A little hummy on the control. Let's go ahead and take it up a little bit. Get the heads turned. Trim. Go ahead and go to full speed. a very fast ceiling fan. It moves really good air. On the amp meter, we're drawing 1.27. It's pretty impressive. Over an amp. Cast iron motor, steel blade badges, and solid wood with winter woods. God, the chrome, everything's reflecting off the chrome, it's hard to focus. She runs extremely nice. Meter, camera, 6 minutes. I need to find a place to install this thing. and put good days worth of work into it. Camera here. Shelf. Oh. Okay. Of course. There we go. Sorry about that. And like I said, this is a 56-inch Sheehan. They're pretty uncommon. I don't think of. Usually you find 52-inch. So. I got this fan last year from. I actually got 2 of them. The other one I just sold recently. This one I finally got around to restoring. Been sitting in storage bin for about probably a year. So it took me a little longer than I wanted to, but as you can see, it's fantastic. The bearing's still in good condition, and yeah, it's absolutely nothing wrong with this fan now. I love how it looks. We're also going to do a 0 to high on this fan so you guys can see just how powerful it is straight from high. What a powerful fan. There you go. Let's go ahead and go high. There you go. Thanks for watching.